Do you know how to say hello in Japanese? This is Japanese for Beginners Part 3, Greetings. A casual way to say good morning in Japanese is ohayo, ohayo. You generally use the casual form when greeting close friends, family members, classmates, or subordinates. A more polite way to say good morning is ohayo gozaimasu, ohayo gozaimasu. Notice how we don't really pronounce the final u sound here in gozaimasu. In Japanese, it's common to drop the u and i vowel sounds, especially at the end of sentences. We would use the polite form to greet strangers, acquaintances, and our superiors. Konnichiwa means hello or good afternoon. If you already know some hiragana, then you might notice that we use the ha character here, but we pronounce it as wa at the end of konnichiwa. And lastly, we have konbanwa, which means good evening. Again, we use the ha character here, but we pronounce it as wa at the end of konbanwa. Let's take a quiz. See if you can say these greetings in Japanese. Write your answer in the comments.